Welcome to the next episode of The Local Lens. I'm your host, Katrina Carmo. I'm a local realtor and I'm putting businesses in the spotlight so the community can get to know them a little better. Today, I have the pleasure of meeting with Rob Serpa from Milestone Mortgage Solutions. Welcome, Rob.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Katrina. Happy to be here.
Pleasure to have you. So tell us a little bit about your business is now downtown.
Mm-hmm.
You moved from Dartmouth.
Yep, we're up on Route 6 in Dartmouth, so State Road near Bishop Stang, and we also had an office on Hillman Street. And what we were able to do in the Santander building, the DeMello building, is to combine everyone. We brought operations and the rest of the team together, the sales team together, and it's been a lot of fun. Been a lot of fun. Really nice being down here. That's for sure.
It's a nice location. I've met you, and we go across and have a cup of coffee, and you can meet with people one-on-one.
Absolutely.
Which is nice.
Yep. In the office, like you said, outside. The building's super cool. If anyone hasn't been here, I would say definitely check it out. There's a little coffee shop and pastry shop. They do sandwiches and stuff right out in the hallway here.
Right.
We've got the United Way right next door. A hair salon. Like everything about the place is just very, very intriguing and cool. Yes.
Cool. Tell us, Rob, what is the difference between if I have a buyer client and they want to buy a house, what is the difference between going to Rob Serpa, the mortgage broker, versus a bank or financial, a credit union, someone that they already have banking with?
All right. Great question. Always happy to answer this one. First of all, we, being a broker, we have 29 lenders at our disposal. So what that means is, no two people are created the same, correct? So if someone has a lower FICO score, I've got a lender that can help them. If someone has a higher FICO score, I can shop them now with the top lenders in the country. So we can help almost anyone get into a home.
Including our veterans.
Including our veterans, yes. So that's a great segue. So helping veterans has been a lot of fun. Whether they're a first-time home buyer or not, they should qualify for, well, we could definitely look it up, for the VA program, that'd be the Veterans Program, where they put no money down, and they do get a little bit better interest rate. And if they carry any type of veteran disability, which a lot of veterans do, a lot of times they're exempt from paying any additional fees or anything like that.
Oh,
so,
that's nice.
yeah, really enjoy helping veterans, yes.
Great. So when you do have these buyers, the nice thing about you, Rob Serpa, also is that you kind of customize the experience based on the specific person, and you're kind of available all the time.
Yeah. So that's kind of a big blanket right there, but a good one, right? So, like I mentioned before, not everyone is built the same way. Everyone has different needs. Some people want a little bit lower payment. Some people want to gamble on, say, an adjustable rate mortgage. We have it all. We have it all, right down to down payment assistance if someone needs some help coming up with the funds. We have a couple of different programs that start with 0% down or even 1% down. In regards to being available, yeah, just ask my wife. Always available. Heck, just ask you. Anytime you call me.
I had to call you on the weekend.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Phone rings, we answer. Definitely not traditional hours. 9 to 5, 10 to 6, heck, even 11 to 7. There are often nights I'm on the phone or doing a Google Meet or a Zoom with a client. And, it's a little bit later because people work.
Right.
If I want to be able to help someone that, say, works in a factory, I've got to be able to help them when they're not around. Right. Law enforcement, if they're working a 3 to 11 or even an overnight shift, can't be on the phone.
But they do have an app that they can get their information on, right?
So glad you said that. Yes. Great thing about working with Milestone Mortgage Solutions is we do have some very easy to use technology. We have a lot of technology, and all of it is pretty easy to use. So with our app, I can get them set up, and the realtor will have the same app without their financial information, though, just to see if what their payments look like. So every person that logs into the app, their account is tailored to them. So I do what I've got to do on my end with a pre-approval, and then on your end and on their end, let's say they punch in a house $500,000 down with 20% down. $500,000 purchase price, 20% down. They can actually spit out what their payment is right there and then. And in a lot of cases, even generate their own pre-approval letter, provided the fact I've done my job on the back end.
And the pre-approval is super important because we cannot put an offer on a house without that. So that's really important. So I thank you for being available to do that.
Of course, absolutely.
And you also, I understand, speak Portuguese.
I do. So I could actually
In
speak.
this area, that's super important.
Very important, yes. I grew up in a bilingual household, predominantly Portuguese household, speaking anyway. So I speak very fluent Portuguese. And for any of our Spanish-speaking clientele out there, also pretty, prevalent in this area, I partner with a woman out of my office who's an amazing LO, and she speaks very fluent Spanish. So we can cover a pretty wide range here at Milestone.
Nice, nice. And tell me a little bit about the Milestone Company. Do you get involved in charities? What does that look like?
Oh yeah, absolutely. We're pretty passionate about that. I myself am a Mission 22 ambassador.
And what is that?
So every day in this country, 22 veterans and/or active military members take their own lives. It's a pretty sad situation.
Oh,
so what we do is we raise money to try to get therapy available for these folks, for our veterans, but we also just try to raise awareness. So what we did over the weekend actually is we had our 4th annual cornhole tournament, and Milestone donated the $500 grand prize. So the winners, rather than walking away with just a gift basket, they walked away with a gift basket and a little bit of cash as well.
Oh, that's always nice.
So that's pretty cool, yeah. We also, over the weekend, we went to we attended the Friends of Jack Foundation fundraiser. Vernon Miles, our president and CEO, he is very involved with Friends of Jack. And we also do some work with Habitat for Humanity, United Way. So we try to give back to the community, about as much as the community gives to us. So it's, we enjoy doing those things. Pretty passionate about them as well.
Nice. And Rob, if we have a buyer that's interested in getting a hold of you for your services, how would they do that?
So I can be reached via text. Obviously, that's the most popular way to talk these days. Via text or phone call at 508-264-1536. I am also available at R Serpa, so that's R-S-E-R-P as in Peter, A as in Apple, at milestonemortgagesolutions.com. Should someone just go to milestonemortgagesolutions.com, click on contact us, just scroll down a little bit, and you'll see my smiling face waiting for you there with all my contact information as well.
Perfect, and I'll put that in the information below.
Thank you so much. By the way, an amazing real estate agent. We partner together, and I'm very grateful for that and this opportunity to be here and sit with you as well.
This is great. We do, Rob is in our office, so we do work together on business deals, so this has been a good opportunity.
Yeah, a lot of fun.
Thanks for coming with us today and telling the community a little bit about yourself.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
All right. Have a great day. Featured. Please share this video. I'm Katrina Carmo, and I'm a local realtor. If you are looking for someone to guide you with your real estate needs, I would be happy to help. May your days be filled with sunshine and your dreams take flight. Signing off, good vibes.